Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're facing Ctfmon.exe error, then watch this video to fix it. The first thing we need to do to solve this error is to run a system file integrity check. And we can do that by looking for command prompt in the search bar, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we enter the command sfc space slash SCANNOW and press enter. Wait for the scan to finish, restart the computer, and you should no longer face this error. But if you still do, then we need to restart the computer in the clean boot configuration. For that, we need to go look for system configuration, and then we need to click on the services tab. Now, before we disable any of the services, always make sure that this box, hide all Microsoft services, is checked. It's very, very important, folks. If we disable any Microsoft service by mistake, then our computer on restart will not be able to access the Microsoft service and may go into a reboot or restart loop, and we will not be able to boot the computer. So once you hide all Microsoft services, then you can go and click on the third-party services which are not required, like McAfee, Mozilla, Google Updater, because sometimes these clash with the drivers on the system and can cause such errors to occur. So disable all, click on apply, OK, and then click on restart, and you should start up in the clean boot configuration and you should not see this error pop up again. Now the next thing we can do is to run a check disk scan. So if this error still persists, then we go to command prompt, right click on this, run as administrator, and enter the command chkdsk space slash f space slash r and press enter. Then we press Y and press enter. Let the scan run and restart the computer, and this error should no longer appear. But even after all these solutions, if the error still appears, then the only thing you can do is you can uninstall the previous Windows updates, because maybe the update is causing the clashes and this error to pop up. So right click on the start button, click on settings, go to Windows update, and then click on update history. Click on uninstall updates, and we will uninstall the updates that may cause the problem for this error to pop up. So for example, if I install these updates on the 30th of August, and after these updates my system is throwing up this error ctfmon.exe, then I will uninstall all the updates or the update on the 30th of August. So I'll click on uninstall, and I'll click on uninstall, and once I've uninstalled these updates, I will restart the computer and this error should definitely no longer show up. If this video solved your issue, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.